Hey guys, welcome in Python video series. In this video tutorial, we'll talk about Python indentation. What's the significance of indentation in Python? As you know, in other programming languages, the indentation in code is just for readability purpose. But the indentation in Python is very important. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. So let's try to understand through an example. So here I'm going to take very small use case. There I'll take one input from the user, and that input I will convert into the uh, uh, integer, and then after I'll write a if and else condition to compare that number with some specific number, and there we'll see what's the significance of indentation. Yeah, so here just I'm going to take one input number using input function in Python. So here I could write a message, enter a number, right? So this message will prompt on the console, and that will ask user to enter a number. So whatever number we take from the keyboard or user, that will be in a string, so we'll convert into integer using int function, right? So I'd say number, same variable will use, and I'm going to use int function. Yeah, here I'll pass this number. Hope it is clear, right? Now here I'm going to use a condition. So when you use if and else condition, then putting it this round bracket in Python is completely optional. So here I'm not going to put a round bracket, but here I'm going to just not going to print the I'm not going to use the round brackets because that's optional, completely optional in Python, right? Here I'm going to check a condition. I would say greater than equal to, let's say compare with a 100, right? So if this condition becomes true, then I would like to make a block of code, and here first statement I would like to print number is either greater than or equal to 100, right? And second statement also I would like to put, because we try to understand how indentation works in Python. And here I would say and of if block, right? And let's say we will write a corresponding else block as well, right? So if that this condition doesn't get this condition is false, then else block I would like to basically execute, right? So else again I'm going to write two statements, right? First statement says number is less than 100, right? And I would say end of else block. So there is some typo. Okay, and I would like to execute some statement. Doesn't matter whether if gets executed or else, still I would like to execute some piece of the code that I can write over here, right? So I will write print, and here I will write program, and here, right? That's it. Now let's run this program, and here I'm going to enter a number 100. So this piece of code is getting executed because 100 is greater than equal to 100, right? So these two statement gets printed, and afterwards this statement. This is common for if and else both, and that's the reason you get the this statement printed as well, right? So here you should understand when we have to use same number of spaces. Here we have to basically use the same number of spaces in the same block of code, otherwise Python will give you an error. Let's say here if you see before this print statement there is a 4 spaces, and that's the by default in Python when you use IDE like PyCharm. But if you want to give the number of spaces, let's say 5 spaces, then here you can see it is showing an error. If you run this program, then here it is clearly indicating line number 6. When I say line number 6 means before just line number 6 there is some problem, and it is saying that indentation error. So there is some problem with the indentation, then Python will basically throw that error. So in other programming you have curly bracket open and close, and within that you write multiple statements, and every statement most of the program end with the semicolon, but Python doesn't allow this one. Right? So if you give 5 spaces before this statement within this block, then other statement has to have 5 spaces as well, and then you can see now indentation error has gone. If I run and if I specify let's say number 12, it is running completely, right? So indentation concept comes into the picture when you write any kind of block of code, whether you write any kind of conditional statement using if, else if, or any kind of loop, right? Or if you define any kind of function or method in Python, everywhere basically Python works as per the indentation, right? So make sure that if you make any block of code, then in that block of code every statement has a same number of space before every statement. These things always you keep in mind. If number of spaces is different, then you'll get indentation error in Python, right? So that's all I wanted to show in this video tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoy learning this video, and this concept is really very important. I hope you enjoy learning this. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.